Welcome once again to construction of FCT 105, an expressway of the city from Southern Expressway up to Province. Previously, some progress have been made. This is the interchange bridge from Southern Expressway. So this is the Expressway. So the work has progressed. Right now we are around here where they do artworks. Previously they have done bridge work, artworks, road works up to Banda Court, right up to close to Kuje Junction. And basically the work is in progress. It's two main carriageways of 3 lanes each plus parking, so about 4 lanes. Yes, conversation is paved, left, that's where they are working. Now, rock blasting has progressed, practically, that's why they are working here. Because this is obstructing this road. Yeah, basically, the network. As we promised last year, we have finished the earthwork completely, except 2 points. One of them is along the bridge change 15 here, which is the side high tension. Progress now within 1 month completion. Points. And the last one is Abuja junction. We finished all the earthwork except like 3 layers only is in progress. Here, as you can see, the high rock was like 20 years height. We have finished it. The road is moving now. We are in the stage of the discourse. By the grace of God and support and fund, we are starting to move to the site. June next year, we can promise you by May next year, with the support we are receiving in Wike. We are working, we are approaching the dry season now, with inshallah, with what we are expecting with the fund we have given to the group and the budget, we can fly to May, inshallah, by next year. The bridge we are going to cross. We are going to cross the bridge 16 here. Here, this bridge, we are going to stand up there for just a minute. It's already crossed. Thank you. Beginning the 4 kilometers to the end of the project. We are in progress within 1 week. After we transfer the traffic here, we will maintain it. But it's okay, the case is still nice, you can see it from here. Just some points like this, we can maintain it. Are you sure it's okay? No, it's okay. What do you think? Very much okay. There's no there for us, nothing else, except this is normal. We are going to maintain it, yes, we are not like this. The other side, we are going to maintain this area, this embankment and the other one. But we need only to put the traffic here. And I'm talking about the scale of the bridge, we have to just maintain it. Good job.
Because from the city, the river